So this is the US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 31st of January. Now, let's have a look whatever in prices and where prices may likely go. So we do appear to be having quite a bit of weakness coming into the US oil, WTI. At the moment, so we came pretty close towards this 66.71. We did see some sell side momentum come into the market, fell to retest the most recent highs, posted lower highs, had a brief pull back towards the 65.60. Again, 65.60 held for further sell side momentum, bringing us back down towards the 64.76. Previously identified area, we've had a brief bounce and failed. And what we did see, we had a brief bounce in around the 64.76, with the added confluence of the 64.76 with the added confluence of a 200 period moving average. Had a failure to reverse, and we did see strong sell side momentum taking us back down, breaking even the 400 period moving average. So we've come all the way down towards the 63.76 area that we would be looking to see possible support here at the 63.76, having a brief bounce at the moment, but in light of the this pretty strong sell-off here, it does appear that oil has turned in the short term, so we might see further sell side momentum come into this market. So if we do see a bounce here at 63.76, we'll see if we do get a reaction around the 400 period moving average, pretty close, so might not see anything. But if we do retrace all the way up to 64.76, however, this area that we previously failed to hold as support may act as resistance, coupled with the 200 period moving average. We may see some sell side momentum from 64.76, possibly bring us back down towards that 63.76 level. A break from the 63.76, we are looking for price head down towards our 63.05, previously support, and a break from 63.05, 62.54 should come into focus. Well, at least quite volatile, so 62.54 may not be the far end of the range. So if we do see further sell side momentum even below this 62.54, we are looking to see our prices react in around the 61.48 level. However, well, those are the levels that we are looking at to the downside. The most recent trend appears to be to the downside. On the higher time frames, we're still in a very strong uptrend, but the most recent trend, however, is to the downside. We are seeing a lot of strong sell side momentum in the US oil market at present. If, however, we turn around from where we are at 63.76, again, we're looking to see our price react around 64.76 with the added confluence of 200 period moving average. If we do break from the 64.76 level, 65.60, previous area that held as resistance, we'll look to see whether we do break the 65.76 or whether we do have a failure there. Prices heading back down towards our 64.76. Currently at 63.88, so essentially 64. So prices may even break above the 65.60 and head all the way up to 66.71, but that is somewhat unlikely in light of this trend more recently being to the downside. So possibly in around 65.60 being the far end of the range if we do successfully navigate 64.76 under 200 period moving average. Again, we do look poised for more downside momentum, so we might see a retracement before we see further downside momentum here on US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.